And here we are, at the very beginning of the hot sauce journey. A vibrant delivery of the freshest chili peppers, ready to ignite the senses. And
the peppers are now on their journey. A thorough wash, ensuring peak cleanliness before they meet the formidable industrial chopper. Precision in motion.
Live. The journey continues. Our vibrant mash, now perfectly prepared, is being carefully transferred into these colossal fermentation vessels. The stage is set for transformation.
And now the magic truly begins. Inside these mighty tanks, the fermentation process is underway, transforming simple peppers into something truly extraordinary. Listen to that gentle fizz.
The watchful eye of the expert is crucial here. Our technician meticulously monitors every detail, ensuring the fermentation progresses perfectly. Every drop is a step towards perfection.
And the moment of truth. Our perfectly fermented chili mash, a vibrant crimson, begins its journey from the tanks, ready for the next crucial stage of hot sauce creation.
Now for the supporting cast. A precise measure of tangy vinegar, followed by the essential seasoning of sea salt, and finally a secret blend of aromatic spices. Each component vital to our hot sauce's signature kick.
And now, the symphony of blending. The powerful agitators spring to life, expertly combining our ingredients, ensuring every drop of this magnificent hot sauce achieves perfect flavor harmony. Watch those mesmerizing swirls.
The heat is on, but it's a gentle warmth, carefully controlled within our jacketed kettle. This crucial heating phase allows the flavors to truly meld and infuse, creating that unmistakable hot sauce depth. Absolutely splendid.
And now the first stage of refinement. Our magnificent sauce enters the pulper where it's expertly separated from any remaining solids. What emerges is a beautifully smooth, vibrant liquid ready for its final transformation. A truly satisfying sight.
And after a meticulous straining process, our vibrant hot sauce enters the industrial blending tank. Watch as the high-speed impeller creates a magnificent vortex, ensuring every drop is perfectly homogenized, a symphony of texture.
Precision is paramount. Our expert technicians are now on hand, meticulously checking the pH balance and viscosity. Every batch must meet the exact specifications for that perfect fiery kick.
The journey continues. Our perfectly crafted hot sauce now enters the hallowed halls of maturation. These colossal stainless steel tanks are where the magic truly happens, allowing the flavors to deepen and harmonize.
From the depths of maturation, our magnificent hot sauce is now on the move. Transferred with utmost care through meticulously sanitized pipes, it heads towards the final stage. Bottling.
And now, the vessels for our fiery creation. Empty bottles embark on their own cleansing journey, passing through the sterilizer where high-pressure steam ensures absolute purity. Sparkling clean, they're ready for their spicy cargo.
And now, the vessels for our fiery creation. Empty bottles embark on their own cleansing journey, passing through the sterilizer where high-pressure steam ensures absolute purity. Sparkling clean, they're ready for their spicy cargo.
No time to waste. The bottles glide effortlessly to the capping station, where state-of-the-art machinery ensures every single bottle is sealed perfectly, locking in that incredible hot sauce flavor.
And now for the identity. The automatic labeling machine works its magic, transforming plain bottles into branded masterpieces. It's the final touch before these beauties hit the shelves.
But the process isn't over yet. Every single bottle undergoes a rigorous quality control check. Our dedicated team ensures that only the absolute best make it through, a testament to their commitment.
From inspection to integration, the robotic arm takes over, a marvel of modern engineering, meticulously arranging these bottles into their final packaging. A seamless transition, ready for their journey to your kitchen.
And the journey continues.
Our perfectly sealed hot sauce boxes now receive their vital shipping information, a lightning-fast application, before the robotic maestro takes over, stacking them with unparalleled precision.
What a spectacle! The palette, now a towering monument of flavour, enters the wrapping arena. A dizzying dance of plastic film, securing every single bottle for its grand voyage.
The future is now. Our securely wrapped cargo embarks on its autonomous journey, guided by the silent precision of the AGV. A seamless transition, a ballet of bytes and boxes.
Into the heart of the logistics empire. The AGV delivers its precious cargo, and now the colossal robotic crane takes center stage, elevating our hot sauce to its temporary resting place amongst a sea of deliciousness.
Even in this automated marvel, the human touch remains paramount. Our dedicated quality controller ensures every detail is perfect, a final stamp of excellence before our fiery concoction begins its global adventure.
After a meticulous quality check, our hot sauce is ready for its grand entrance into the world. But first, the bottles themselves must meet an impeccable standard of cleanliness.
And now, the moment of truth. Our vibrant hot sauce, a symphony of flavor, begins its journey into its new home. Watch the precision, folks. Smooth, steady pours, hitting that fill line on the nose every single time. Perfection bottled, ready to bring the heat to...
With the fiery liquid now safely nestled, it's time to seal in that incredible flavour. The capping machine, a marvel of engineering, ensures every bottle is perfectly secured. Watch as each cap drops into place, bullseye every time, and those rollers dance it tight in one.
The flavour is locked in, but now it's time for identity. The labelling machine springs into action, transforming each bottle into a beacon of brand brilliance.
Blazon, the journey nears its end, but not before one final crucial assessment. Both man and machine ensure every bottle meets our exacting standards of excellence.
The precision of modern manufacturing truly shines as these fiery bottles are meticulously prepared for their journey.
The journey continues with impeccable sealing and labelling, ensuring every batch is perfectly prepared for its global adventure.
An incredible display of automated strength and precision as these trays are expertly stacked, forming towering monuments of flavour.
And now, the final embrace of protection. This stretch wrapping machine ensures our precious cargo is ready for any journey, near or far.
And there it is, the final stage of this incredible journey, as our perfectly packaged hot sauce prepares to leave the factory, ready to ignite taste buds around the world.
And there it is, the final pallet, perfectly wrapped, takes its place. But the production line never stops. Now we witness the incredible precision of the automated labelling process, where every bottle receives its unique identity with breathtaking speed.
From label to lid, the bottles now enter the capping carousel, a symphony of mechanical precision ensuring every bottle is sealed tight, and then the vital induction seal, guaranteeing freshness and security.
Every bottle tells a story, and here, that story gets its vital details. The high-speed inkjet coder applies batch numbers and dates with pinpoint accuracy, a crucial step for traceability and quality control.
Passing the final hurdle. Every bottle undergoes rigorous visual inspection, a blend of cutting-edge technology and the keen eye of our dedicated team, ensuring only perfection makes it to the customer.
From individual stars to a formidable team, bottles are now grouped into convenient multi-packs, ready for the shrink-wrap symphony. Watch as the heat tunnel works its magic, creating a perfect protective seal.
and the shrink-wrapped multi-packs emerge, glistening. A quick, rigorous quality check ensures every pack is perfect before heading to the labeling station for that final, crucial touch.
From individual packs to bulk, the automated boxing machine is a marvel of engineering. Watch as those robotic arms deftly place the multi-packs into their new homes, followed by a secure, satisfying seal. Flawless execution.
Now for the grand finale of the packaging line. The colossal robotic arm takes center stage, meticulously stacking each box onto the waiting pallet. It's a symphony of precision, building a fortress of flavor, ready for distribution.
And with the pallets perfectly stacked and secured, they embark on their final journey within the factory walls. Our automated guided vehicles, the silent workhorses of the warehouse, transport these precious cargo into the vast, organized expanse of storage. A truly...
And here it is, the culmination of all that hard work, precision and passion. An ocean of flavour, a testament to efficiency, and a promise of deliciousness for homes around the globe. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the endless harvest of hot sauce, ready to ignite taste buds everywhere.
The journey is almost complete as our dedicated team conducts the ultimate quality assurance. Every box, every label, scrutinized with unwavering precision.
And now the ballet of automation. These incredible robotic marvels are stacking our precious cargo with unparalleled accuracy, creating perfect pyramids of flavor.
From the production line to the distribution hub, our powerful forklifts are now orchestrating a symphony of logistics, ensuring every pallet is perfectly positioned for its next grand adventure.
The moment of truth. Our magnificent hot sauce is now being loaded onto the fleet, ready to embark on its journey to kitchens and tables worldwide. A truly global operation.
And there you have it, an endless river of fiery flavour flowing from our factory to every corner of the globe. A true testament to precision, passion and the power of a perfect hot sauce. What an incredible journey!